for today, I'm going to be sharing with you a requested video. So basically you guys wanted to see my brush collection. So first of all, let me tell you one thing. I don't have like a very crazy collection of brushes and blenders. I have shared brushes collection video in the past as well. Almost brushes वही है, कुछ new addition है मेरे beauty sponges and brushes में. So I'm gonna incorporate both and I'm gonna show you what all I have. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I'm gonna begin with blenders. So first of all, I have all my blenders in this box. This is just a candy box. So first of all, I have these three. Like I have total 4 blenders like this. These are from Pack Cosmetics, and I really love this one. These are really good in blending foundation. It's also very good for your under eye concealers, and in all I really love these one. And these are not that expensive. मैंने ये 4 blenders like I got them for rupees 225 approx 200 to 250, not more than that. So it was pretty much very affordable considering you will get 4 blenders. So round about आपको per blender 60 या 50-60 rupees का पड़ा है. And ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि ये बहुत like छोटे and you can't blend your foundation with this. These work really well for foundation. You have seen me using this many a time for my foundation as well. So these are the first blenders. Next I have these 2 puffs. Basically this is for like if you are like blending your eyeshadow and you don't want your hand to touch your base, you can keep this and you can just do your makeup with it. So these are for that, and these are from Because like it's a Japanese store. Last I have 3 blenders in this. This one is from Nykaa. I have these from a very long time. It's a good product. I'm not so crazy about it, so it's like an okay blender. Next is this one. This is from Because. I love this. I've loved this so much. This is one of the best blenders I've ever tried, and this was like very affordable. ये 60 या 70 rupees का था. इतना inexpensive था. So you can definitely try this. Because store जम्मू में नहीं available है. ये मैंने दिल्ली से लिया था. अगर आप कभी भी दिल्ली जाएंगे in future, definitely have a look whenever you visit Delhi. So this is really good. Last is the Blue Heaven blender. This is also one of the best blenders. ये बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत inexpensive है. I think 100 या 110 rupees का है. And this one is really good. ये बहुत अच्छे से फाउंडेशन को blend करता है, and ये ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट को भी सोक नहीं करता, which is a very good thing because I hate जब प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन को सोक कर लेते हैं. So these were the blenders. And the last blenders that I have are these. So again these are from Because, and ये भी आपने बहुत बार देखा है मेरे को यूज़ करते हुए. This one is washed, but the only con about this one is कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट को सोक करते हैं. ब्लेंड बहुत अच्छे से करेंगे बट बहुत एक्सेस प्रोडक्ट सोक करते हैं, which I really hate. Other than that ये बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट है. So these were the only blenders that I use for my foundation, and आप जानते हैं मैं ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन को ब्लेंडर से ब्लेंड नहीं करती. So that's why I only have these. Next I'm going to take you the most affordable brushes that I own. So these are the 2 different sets of brushes that I got from Shein. मेरे brushes इस time सारे गंदे. I need to wash them because I just filmed 2 videos and I'm just now filming this one. So मेरे brushes सारे गंदे होंगे इस time. So first is this one. So basically ये सारे eyeshadow brushes हैं. काफ़ी अच्छे फ्लफ़ी आई शेडो ब्रशेज़ है. दिस वन इज़ पॉइंटेड वन, सो ये फ्लफ़ी नहीं है. 3 फ्लफ़ी इन 1 पेंसिल काइंड ऑफ अ ब्रश है. सो दिस पैक इज़ लाइक फॉर रुपीज़ 160 to 170. ये 200 के अंडर है. Shein की brushes की quality are fab. If you're thinking to buy their brushes, you can definitely buy these first, like these smaller ones first, because they are really good for your eyeshadow. So first is this pair of these 4 brushes. मैंने ये पहले परचेज करा था, and this one is better than the rose gold one because ये बहुत अच्छे precise brushes है. ये वाले बहुत fluffy है, so बहुत अच्छा है ट्रांजिशन शेड के लिए. ये क्रीज के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. ये ओवरऑल ब्लेंडिंग के लिए अच्छा है. एंड यू कैन सी दिस वन इज़ मोर गुड फॉर योर वाटर लाइन. सो ये लोअर वाटर लाइन के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. सो आई रियली लव दीज फोर फर्स्ट फॉर रुपीज़ 175. सो ये दो मेरे पहले दो ब्रशेस सेट है दैट आई ओन. सो आई ऑल्सो हैव दीज पूना स्टोर ब्रशेस. सो अगर आपको डिटेल में चाहिए कि कौन सा ब्रश कौन सा है, you can watch my previous brush collection video. I will mention that in the description box. and उसमें मैंने ज़्यादा डिटेल में बताया है, so I'm not gonna repeat everything again. आपको जस्ट बताऊंगी कि मोस्टली इसमें आपको हर टाइप के ब्रशेस अवेलेबल है. आपको आई शेडो के लिए फ्लफी ब्रशेस मिल जाएंगे, आपको कॉम मिल जाएगी. इसमें स्पूली भी था बट मेरा स्पूली टूट गया है. इसमें आपको एंगुलर ब्रश मिल जाएगा, आपको लाइनर ब्रश मिल जाएगा, आपको छोटे प्रिसाइज ब्रशेस मिल जाएंगे. सो इन ऑल यू विल गेट all kind of brushes that would you need for an eye makeup. But I will prefer you to buy Shein brushes along with these brushes if you're planning to buy Puna store brushes, because यहाँ के इसके आई शेडो ब्रशेस आपको इतनी अच्छे से आई मेकअप में हेल्प नहीं करेंगे. बट शीन के ब्रशेस आर रियली बेटर देन दीज वन. शीन के ब्रशेस की क्वालिटी ज़्यादा अच्छी है एंड शीन के ब्रशेस आई शेडो के लिए ज़्यादा बेटर है. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. एंड पूना स्टोर ब्रशेस आर सेट ऑफ 24 ब्रशेस. सो आपको टोटल 6 बिग ब्रशेस मिलेंगे, जिसमें एक आपको फ्लैट फाउंडेशन ब्रश मिलेगा विच आई यूज़ नाउ डे फॉर माई फेस पैक. सो वो मेरे वॉशरूम में है. नेक्स्ट यू विल गेट अ स्मॉल फैन ब्रश, अ बिगर वन विच आई ऑलवेज यूज़ फॉर माई हाईलाइटर. A powder brush which is really which I use like sometimes for my bronzer and sometimes for my powder. Again this is like a blush brush, but I use it for my compact or for loose powder or for bronzing my face. So again this one is an angular brush. So basically ये brushes mostly मैं use करती हूँ या तो अपने powder से अपने face को set करने के लिए या फिर bronze करने के लिए. contour के लिए मैं ये brushes को use नहीं करती, ना ही blush के लिए nowadays, because I have other brushes as well. Another brush set which I would recommend you if you planning to buy makeup brushes. First of all, Puna store से भी better brushes जो है वो ये है, वो है generic के brushes. These I got from Amazon. This is a pack of 10 brushes. I have right now 4 and 5. I have right now 9 brushes with me. एक brush पता नहीं कहाँ रखा है मैंने भी. So I'm gonna show you these. So this is really great for blending your foundation. This is something which I don't use much. I sometimes use it to set my under eyes for like to bake my under eyes. This is really good for blush. You can see मैंने इसे blush के लिए use किया है. Again this is something which I use like for random purpose. And last, these eyeshadows brushes are also very good. They are not of bad quality. ये better है Puna store के brushes की quality से. So I would prefer them more. And ये ज़्यादा affordable है. Like 10 brushes आपको 300 अंदर मिल जाएगा, which makes it very affordable considering कि ये बहुत अच्छी quality है, बेकार बिल्कुल नहीं है. Before I did my makeup course मेरे पास यही brushes थे. But last year I went ahead and bought some more brushes. First is this one. This is the Wet n Wild contour brush, but which I use for my blush because it's really good to apply your blush, because you can see it like I really like it apply for my blush. These are like not that inexpensive. ये थोड़े expensive है. Like each brush will not be less than 200 to 300 rupees like a single brush. But यही generic का पूरा set मिल जाएगा. Next I have the expensive brushes that I own. So I'm gonna show you. These are the new brushes that I got, and by far these are my expensive brushes. So first, and my favorite brush, Art AK39 Kabuki brush. It's an angular Kabuki brush. You have seen me using this non-stop. मैं सिर्फ इसे use करती हूँ nowadays to blend my foundation. बाकी कुछ use नहीं करती because it blends my foundation so well, like so well. And ये बहुत अच्छा brush है. Price wise ये थोड़ा expensive है. This is like for 1000 rupees. I will mention the price here or here. Price wise ये थोड़ा expensive है, but quality wise this is really amazing and it's worth each penny. So अगर आपको अच्छा foundation brush चाहिए, you can definitely have a look on this brush. I really love this one. ProArt makes amazing brushes. So आप इनके brushes की quality को doubt नहीं कर सकते. Next I have this ProArt PP17 stippling brush. Again this brush was for rupees 900 to 1000. मैं price हट के mention कर दूँगी. So this is the brush. This is like a stippling brush which I use mainly if I put excess product to remove that product. I use this because ये आपके excess product को remove करता है और अच्छे से blend कर देता है, smooth look देता है. That's why I use this. And again this is not something which I would recommend you to buy. अगर आपको foundation brush चाहिए आप ज़रूर काबुकी ब्रश प्रेफर करें. स्टिपलिंग ब्रश अगर आप बिगिनर है, यू डोंट नीड इट. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस ProArt PF14 brush. So have a look how it looks. So this is a brush which is amazing for your contour. It's amazing to apply a highlighter. So it's a multi-purpose product. You can apply a highlighter with this, and also you can contour face this with this. So if you want a good contour brush, you can definitely try this one. You can also contour your nose with this. It's a really good brush. This one is like for 500. I don't remember the exact price. Next I have ProArt PF02 flat foundation brush. I am not a flat foundation brush person. I would recommend you to buy a kabuki brush rather than buying a flat foundation brush, because flat foundation brush से brushes के stroke रह जाते हैं, which doesn't look even and flawless. So this is not something which I would recommend. I do own this, but I wouldn't recommend this to someone. Next I will talk about the smaller brushes. So this is the ProArt PF01 brush. So it's a very flat kind of a brush which is very good for your concealer, to apply your concealer or to correct your skin. So I use this for that purpose. And अब ये सारे brushes 200 to 300 rupees each है. So I will mention the price. Next I have this PL37 ProArt brush. This is a lip brush. Basically ऐसा है. So you can apply it. This is a really good lip brush. I used it for my black lipstick makeup tutorial. So अगर आपने देखा नहीं है, you can check on Insta. मैंने वो pic upload करी है. Next I bought an angular brush. So this is a ProArt PE28 angular brush. I guess 200 के अंडर मिल जाएगा. This I use sometime for my brows and mostly for my liner. So this is the brush. Next I bought the ProArt PE30 brush, which is a liner brush. I will never gonna recommend this to anyone because liner brushes थोड़े टाइम बाद ख़राब हो जाते हैं and these are not that good. Instead you can definitely buy these kind of brushes. So ये क्या है, इस सब ये Camlin की पेंटिंग ब्रश है which I now use for my liner. This is really good. ये 10 या 20 रुपीज़ का है. मैंने ये आगे 100-200 रुपीज़ का लिया है, which I really regret buying. So if you want a good liner brush, पेंटिंग ब्रशेस को आप चाहे किसी भी शॉप पर देखें एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली गो फाइंड अ वेरी थिन ब्रश एंड वो बहुत अच्छे से आपके लाइनर को अप्लाई करेगा. सो दिस इज दैट ब्रश. नेक्स्ट आई हैव 2 पैक ब्रशेस एज वेल. सो फर्स्ट is this pack 1114 brush. I have 2 brushes and both are like for 400 to 500 rupees each. So this is a very dense fluffy kind of brush which I wouldn't recommend to anyone because it's very harsh on your eyes. I don't even use it much. I didn't know why I bought this because I saw some YouTubers recommending this. I bought it, I tried it and it didn't work for me. This is really very harsh on eyes. So this is the first one. Last is the pack 202 brush. Now that I bought it, I love this brush so much. I'm gonna buy another one because this is so good, like so good for your waterline, for to blend, like for any precise blending. This is really small and it blends beautifully. So this is the last brush. So these were all the brushes and blenders that I own. Also I have like the Kryolan brush cleanser which is like very good for a quick brush wash, जो मैंने अपने मैं नायका हॉल में शेयर कराया हुआ है. सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली हैव लुक ऑन दैट. वो बहुत कन्वीनियंट होता है, आपको बार बार ब्रशेस को वॉश करने की नीड नहीं पड़ेगी अगर आपके ब्रशेस बहुत ज़्यादा गंदे हैं. बट ऑलवेज वॉश योर ब्रशेस एवरी वीक. हर वीक के बाद इन्हें वॉश करना चाहिए. दिस इज समथिंग इवन आई स्किप समटाइम्स. बट अगर आप ब्रशेस को कॉन्टिन्यूसली यूज़ करोगे और इन्हें वॉश नहीं करोगे, यू विल गोना गेट pimple all over face. My skin is again breaking out because I was filming non-stop and I didn't care about washing my brushes. So this is the only mistake I always do, not taking care of my skin and my brushes, which end up making my skin worse. So yeah, that's all for today for all my brushes and blenders. I hope you like this video and I hope this video was helpful for you. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.